We just came from Camas and Wyoming. Just stopped to have a look at this reservoir. You can see the dam across there, and some people use this for boating. Maybe you can see the boats. I'm using a GoPro, so the thing about having a GoPro is I can't really zoom much. It has a digital zoom, but it's not quite right. However, if you look still, you're watching on a big TV, you'll be able to see the boats in the water. And those lines across the mountain, across there, if you look at them, those are ski paths. So when it's winter time, people will be skiing there. That road across there is what we took to go up to Wyoming, if you've seen my other videos. So right now we're here in Utah. It's August. It's a bit overcast. See how the sky is. Not Sean there, and my vehicle, we're ready to